This is cabin 1322 on Carnival Vista, Ocean View Cabin. It's on deck 1. You got the basics. You have a refrigerator. And these are unique because they have 2 bathrooms. So I'm going to show you the first one. This one is the standard shower. And then the second one has a sink, shower, and it has the tub. So it makes getting ready so much quicker, so much faster. Also, we have the connecting stateroom. So we typically leave the door unlocked so my boys can come in and we can just peek into their cabin. There you have it. Oh, I forgot to show the closets. Got your safe, drawer space at the bottom. There you go.